Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Wednesday, September 28th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We're going to start out on the 5-minute chart. Price action opened up at 1172 this morning. We had an initial burst upward, and then we had a retracement to come down and fill our gap. Another retracement back up to the opening price, which just happens to be a 50% retracement line. And then we watched a sell-off all the way down to the hourly range low. We then had about a 4-point retracement for a sell-off back down to the Globex range low. And then we had another 10-point pullback prior to selling off heavy and finishing the day down here at the lows of the day at 1147. Okay, we're going to shift over to our trade entry chart. And we show that price action opened up this morning at 1172, not 1171.50. We're off by a half a point. My apologies for that. And we generally do not trade from 9:30 until 9:45. That's just a period of high volatility. We choose not to trade. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 9 ticks. When they're in yellow, that simply means that we did not take the trade. In other words, the trade setup was either too fast or I didn't draw it quick enough. But it was a valid trade setup for 9 ticks. The market continued on. Now, this may be a little bit confusing. Let's see what we have here. We were looking for a second chance entry, and I jumped the gun. I got in way too early. On the trade that I took in the room, I've indicated as red. It did not follow any trade plan. It was a bad call on my part. I tried to get long right here at around 1176 area, and I got a full stop out of minus 16 ticks. Then we tried to get, actually, according to the trade plan entry, target 1 was hit, and we got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. All of this while an actual trade was setting up to the opposite side, to the downside. We had a trader in the room that actually called it. We had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. Some of the traders in the room were able to take advantage of that. I did not, so I had that written in yellow. The market continued on and broke through opening price, worked its way to the downside. We didn't have any other trade setups. A lot of sideways consolidation you can see here. And then we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out. When you miss the first trade, you try it for a second one. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for the second trade, and then you can't give up. If you get stopped out, it's not a big deal. Just jump right back on. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks going into the no trade zone. This is a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:45 Eastern Standard Time. That's just a period of higher volatility and lower volume. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. This is a longer term expanded trade that we did not take, but it was a valid trade setup. An expanded trade from this no trade zone low to this low. Retracement, target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 22 ES ticks. Look at that in your charts when you're reviewing them for potential trade setups for tonight. We found support at the hourly range low, about a 4-point retracement, and then sold off hard into the Globex range low. Nice bounce. Took almost a 10-point bounce. In that 10-point bounce, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. We did not take that in the room. Here's a 10-point pullback, and then we had a sell-off for a retracement. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ticks, and that was pretty much it for the day. The sell-off, there were plenty of opportunities to get on this sell-off, and those occur with the other trade indicators we use in the trade room. Going right into the 4 o'clock close, and rounded up the day for a total of 6 trades and 22 ES ticks. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the TraderShark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.